All right, so some of the people on the listserv have asked me to demonstrate my mental map of Asia. And so what I like to do is tell the kids that they always have a map of Asia with them. If you lay your hand down into China, you can see that it's kind of the same shape. You've got your thumb as Manchuria. This is Southeast China, and it helps the kids because I tell them where does the food grow, mostly in this area, and that's your palm. This area out here is the bumpy part, and that's where the Himalayan mountains are. And just with that in mind, they start to get a mental map of Asia. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to draw it and teach them. Okay? All right, so when I tell them to draw it first, I actually have them lay their hand down, and I tell them to kind of trace around it. And it's not Turkey Day in the 4th grade, so not to make the fingers out. They can also freehand it so that it's going to look something like a kidney bean. But this is kind of the basic shape, and since it's a mental map, it doesn't have to be perfect. The first thing we do is we separate it into 3 sections, your thumb, your palm, and your fingers. This is the area of Manchuria. This is Southeast China. And this is outer China. The next thing I have them draw are the 3 rivers. And since this is a mental map, this is all that they need to do. The first one is the Huanghe, and I explain that that means the Yellow River, which empties into the Yellow Sea. The Yangtze River and the Xi River. A few more locations inside of China is Tibet, the Gobi Desert, and then we draw in Mongolia. The easiest, of course, is the Koreas. Tell them it ends up looking kind of like a duck on water. So if we're looking at our map,
or Major Murphy, please contact the main office. Sergeant Harriman or Major Murphy, please contact the main office.
if we're looking at our map, South Asia here starts right about your lifeline, and this is Vietnam. And I teach the kids to go in alphabetical order. So we have Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, and Thailand. Bangladesh. India takes up the entire corner. We've got the country of Nepal and Bhutan. And then we start with our stands. So we have Kazakhstan. Again, these are in alphabetical order for them. K-A, K-Y-R, Kyrgyzstan, Tajik, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. It's really easy if you can get them to remember that it's in alphabetical order. Then we have Afghanistan and Pakistan. Again, alphabetical order. The last piece that we put, and I've kind of not left myself enough room here, are the Japans. And once again, the 4 islands are in alphabetical order. Hokkaido, Honshu, Kyushu, and Shikoku. And let's not forget Mother Russia. Now you can add more things in. I like to put Taiwan. I often like to do Beijing, and then the Great Wall, and the Grand Canal. You can add the cities of Shanghai and Guangzhou if you'd like, Henan. So there's more that you can add. I've done this up to about 45 locations, and they seem to do it really, really quickly. Now they demand all of their continents be mental mapped. So that's how I do it. And thank you.